in this episode.
Ghost, this heat could dry everything out today!
Time. Here I come! What? Where did all the water go?
Hey, my pool is empty!
Where's the water?
This is bad.
How are we supposed to swim now?
Don't worry, I will bring a high-pressure pump to fix this.
Whoa.
Let's fill these pools.
Oh! The water is back!
This first pool is full. All right, everyone, enjoy the pool. Now send the water down this slide to fill the second pool.
Look, the water is back! Let's try something crazy!
Let's play some volleyball.
Oh, wow.
How to build a high-pressure water pump. 1. Build the pump base. I'll need an impeller to spin and push the water up. The motor, the weight. To build the outlet pipe, this pipe will carry the water out once the gearbox drives the pump. Testing. The outlet can rotate while the pump still keeps pushing water.
Oh, there is one more pool. Hold on, the water's coming right now.
Oh, wow. This is so fun! Yahoo!
Wow, this pump really brought a lot of people to my water park.
Let's go swimming. Wow, the pool water is so refreshing. This water slide is absolutely amazing.
Let's build a swimming pool together.
Okay, let's start.
How to build the water pump.
Add the gear. Add the engine. Testing. Install the pump. Add the pump cover. Pump water into the pool. I love how pristine and inviting this pool looks.
Great, I have finished building the swimming pool.
Swimming time. The pool water looks great. The design of this pool is incredibly impressive. Mr. Hand, I want to have a slide into the pool.
So easy. Please wait a moment. I'll finish up right away.
Let's test it.
That's not all. I have an even bigger surprise for you. These are Orbeez, and they expand into larger shapes when soaked in water.
A few moments later.
Oh, they've expanded much larger. I don't need so many Orbeez. I can't move in the pool.
It's interesting, isn't it?
In a Sursa pool. Woohoo! This is the best day ever. Sursa, baby. This pool is awesome. Yeah! Let's start the waves. Let's ride the wave. That wave is huge. Awesome. Amazing. It's like surfing in the ocean. This is so fun. I'm a water ninja. How to build the wave generator. Number 1, build the motor assembly. First, I'll build the push arm. It helps link the motor and the wave pusher. I'll need 2 of them. Next, I'll build the main frame that hold the crank and the push arms. Add the push arms to the main frame. Now I'll build a gear mount where the motor goes and drives the crank. Add the motors. I'll choose a shape for the wave pusher unit. This line face looks perfect. Number 2, build the wave pusher. Connect 2 parts.
foam beads. Testing.
That was great. I'm ready for the next wave.
Hell yeah.
These waves are epic. What happened? Where did the waves go?
No waves? Refund.
Did someone hit the pause button?
Maybe the wave machine is broken?
Please be patient, everyone. We'll check the wave machine right away.
Hurry, Buck. They're getting angry. At the wave-making area.
Huh? Oh my god. Huh?
The water is too dirty. It jammed the machine. Maybe the problem's with the filter screen.
Oh no!
It's a mess. We have to clean it. I'll make sure this mesh is shining like new. The trouble has been resolved.
The machine's all good. Next wave coming up.
Yes, the waves are back.
Let's ride em like pros. What's that? You, that's not wave water.
The water is so dirty.
This pool is a disaster.
Ew! I'm not swimming in soup. No way.
Run, everyone.
This is so gross. Someone help me. Someone call a cleanup crew. Quick.
Run, before it gets worse.
Huh? What should we do now?
Swimming pool.
Nothing fun to do here.
I'm coming, Eva. Having fun, honey?
This slide is boring. We had better go home.
Wait, we're gonna upgrade a special machine. The SpongeBob bubble bath toy will create tons of foam for the pool.
Wow, it looks so fun.
How to build the bubble bath toys. First, I'll build the pants and shirt for my SpongeBob. The tie. Next, let's build SpongeBob's head. Dish sponge. Ta-da, SpongeBob bubble bath toy has done. Testing. Soapy water.
Now the pool will be filled with bubbles.
Oh! Wow!
These bubbles are so soft.
This is so relaxing.
I still have one more surprise for you. I've added a water slide to this bubble toy. Now let's enjoy this bubble slide.
Yahoo!
It's so sunny. I should go for a swim.
Yee! Water! Woo-hoo-hoo!
So refreshing.
Yeah! You fool. Why is there no water here? That silly thing.
What a clown.
I'll build a water pump to save my pool. Almost done. This pump sucks. I must make a bigger and stronger pump.
How to build the water pump. Step 1. Build the pump casing. Install the engine. Step 2. Build the piston. Install the battery. Install the shock absorber. Install the piston base. Step 3. Install the water pump. Install the pump in the water tank. Testing.
The piston is pushing the water up.
Haha, water is being pumped up.
Oh yeah!
Every detail is perfect.
This feels great.
Let's drain all the water from his pool into mine.
Why is all the water gone? Where did this pump come from?
Awesome.